This is Ashton boatman Chris Lear, staring at my shadow down at Guide Bridge. I've not done a video about the work of the Wooden Canal Boat Society for a little while, so I thought I'd make one. There's the owl keeping an eye on us. At the moment we're at Guide Bridge at Ashton Packet Boats Boatyard, working on Southam. Southam's done a lot of work for us over the years. The last big trip that she did was towing Lilith down to Lincoln in order to collect timber for restoring Hazel. But she's fallen a little bit on hard times. She's the best of our unrestored boats. The other unrestored boats, Elton and Queen, just need complete rebuilding, whereas this one can be kept going by replacing a few planks every few years. And here we are in the blazing winter sunshine. There's Kim and Nessie busy letting a piece into a plank. We're using up timber that was basically left over from Hazel because we're a bit skint at the moment, and you can see we've got planks going in there, more areas ripped out ready for new planking being prepared, and there will be some more doing. Next big job on this boat will be a complete rebuild of the stern end, and that will have to be done at the Heritage Boatyard up at Staley Bridge, because we won't be able to get the time on this dock. But that's a big job, and we just don't have the resources for doing that at the moment. Steph's prepared a new engine for the boat, just the same as the one she was fitted with when first motorised back in 1965. And there's a pile of the wood that we pulled out. Notice it's got a sort of bluey sheen to it. That's because what's called nail sickness. It's where the iron in the nails reacts with the tannin in the oak, and it makes beautiful colours. In fact, I'm thinking of trying to find people to make it into jewellery and interesting things like that. We come along here, you can see the trolleys that the boat's standing on. They pull it out of the water on trolleys down here, and this wonderful thing is the Chalico boiler. We heat up Chalico and tar and pitch and stuff on that for sealing the boat up. And there you can see where she's scarfed into the bow. The bow will need rebuilding at some point as well, but for the next God knows how long, we can keep it going basically by keeping plating it up. And you can see there's a fair bit of metalwork in that bow now, but that holds it all together and keeps her going. Once she's up and running again, Southam will to some extent take over from Forget-Me-Not, doing the towing for us. She was originally a butty, unpowered, but she was fitted with an engine in 1965 and a full-length conversion. She'll also be able to provide accommodation when we go away to events, and sort of represent us at events away from the Ashton Canal, because people away from the Ashton area don't really know about the wonderful work that the Wooden Canal Boat Society does. And that's about it for now. See you later.